Hi, I'm Mubashir Nazar. I help companies get clients on LinkedIn. I'm also LinkedIn trainer and coach. In this video, I will show you how you can download certificate from LinkedIn Learning. LinkedIn Learning is an online educational platform that helps you discover and develop businesses, technology related and creative skills through expert lead course videos. With more than 5,000 courses, you can discover, complete, and track courses related to your field and interests. Once you complete a course, you can save your certificate and you can also download. So let's start the process. So first of all, you just need to click on for businesses. And after this, you just need to click on learning. And now you can see that your left hand side some different options are available like certifications, coaching. So if you want to download your certificate, you just need to click on my learning. And after this, now you can see that your library is open now, and now you can see that in progress course are 20, saved it 1, and your collection and learning history. So if you want to download the certificate of your courses, you just need to click on learning history. And after this, now you can see that these are totally your history. And if you want to download this course, and now you just need to click on three dots, and after this you just need to click on download certificate, and you just need to click on LinkedIn Learning certificate. And after this, you can also post on a LinkedIn, and if you want to copy the URL, you can also get the URL of your certificate. And if you want to download only in PDF, you just need to click on download PDF only. And now you can see that your course certificate is downloaded now. So hope you understand how to download LinkedIn Learning certificate. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any question related to this, then I am available here. Thank you for watching this video.